Hey guys, welcome back to 4A. Last time I did a fairy tale garden, but this time I decided to do Dwarf. This is what you need. Rocks, just as I used last time, but everything in gray-brown shades. I got all of them from Michelle's, except a light I have for a long time and they for outside, so they waterproof as well. For this container, soil and flowers, and how I did it, I showed in my previous video if you wanna check it out. Link in description box as well. House is empty inside and added light inside to give it a life. After plants are planted, I have some blue rocks left over from previous videos, so don't pay attention. But I covered ground with this green grass that usually used for Lulu train compositions. And of course, Lulu is helping me again. Then I just decorated as I felt. I used this little secret door that leads to a human world in many small details. I think this one was one of my all-time favorite DIY. So many little details, I loved it. I created my own world, well, just as my channel. This time I wanted everything to look like a forest, so these fake branches helped me a lot. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what are your thoughts about this idea. Thank you so much for watching, and please click that subscription button and the bell to get notifications.